Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my hometown of Vũng Tàu. Today I have a variety of snails here for you guys. Before I get into this, I do want to do a quick mention of the coldest water bottle. They do have a giveaway every single week that you can enter with the link in my description. You can also use the code TWAY for free shipping. The link will also be in my description. So now, without further ado, let's get into these snails, okay? I have garlic snails here. And then over here I have tamarind snails. I'm going to show you guys a close-up of it, of course. And then these are salted egg yolk snails. And then this is spicy butter snails, okay? And then I also have a, what is it? This is sugarcane drink. It's really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. I think I want to do the fingernail snails first. That's what it's called over here. And this is the spicy butter sauce. Mmm. Wow. The aroma in your mouth is so delicious, and there's such a bite to it because it's such a big snail. Mmm. That's really, really good. And then I'm gonna do, I'm thinking the salted egg yolk. It's like a rich, creamy flavor in your mouth. How cool is this? I'm eating snails at the beach. The snails are super, super fresh. So Vũng Tàu is like a beachy city, a beach town. And I don't know, the seafood here is phenomenal. And I'm just so happy that I'm able to do this. You have to suck it. You have to really, really suck it, okay? That's how you're gonna get the flavors. That's how you're gonna get the meat out. Here you go. Mmm. It's really good. So this snails over here is a really good way to just kind of eat and hang out with your friends, eat and hang out with your family, because it's finger food. And then over here I have sweet chili sauce, and I have muối tiêu, right? So this over here, this one has to be my favorite because tamarind snails, it's like, it's sour, and I love sour foods. It's sour, and it's also very sticky, and it's, I don't know, it's definitely one of my top favorite flavor profile. Right there. I'm gonna go ahead and dip this there. If you know the flavor that like tamarind has, it's very sour, but then it's also really sweet at the same time. It's so delicious. And the weather is just like perfect right now. It just rained, so it's not like, it's not muggy. It's very fresh. Okay, I'm gonna move on to this garlic snail over here. So I saw the way that they're cooking this. It's like a garlic bath, and then they just like drizzle the garlic over the snails, and you just, when you eat it, you just eat the garlic with the snails. So that's how it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. There you go. Gonna go ahead and add a little bit of garlic on top. Like that. It's so sticky, but it's a good type of sticky. It sticks to your teeth, but the flavor, if you love garlic, you're gonna love this one. Okay, there you go. The tamarind sauce. Ooh. It just hits like the back of your throat. That like sour, earthy taste of tamarind. So, so good. And it's like pure tamarind. You can see the tamarind seeds. It's like candy. So good. Whew. And then the spicy butter. The aroma of it is so delicious. So each plate of this is around 40,000 dam, and that translates to about like $1 something, not even $2 yet for each of these plates. Isn't that amazing? So cool. I need you guys not to make fun of my nails or comment on my nails because I actually broke one right here. And I was about to go and take it out before I filmed this, but we were afraid. That the sun was gonna go down and there wasn't gonna be any light left. So we're just gonna roll with the flow. Go with the flow, I mean. It's definitely my favorite. All of them are really, really good, but I don't know. I'm in love with sourness. Like when I eat pho, I drench my pho in lime because I don't know, just I love sour stuff. What can I say? Comment down below if you've ever had snails before, escargot. Because it's very common here in Vietnam, but I know it's not common around the world. It's common in Vietnam and it's common in France, but I know like some people might look at this and be like, ew, snails? Y'all eat snails? But it's really, really good once you like know how to cook it, once you know what goes well with it. It's amazing. Like over there, there's a place that has really giant, like really big giant escargot, and they cook it in this like garlic butter. Phenomenal. So good. My God. I wish you guys were here because it's so delicious. There's such a bite to this snail, and then the butter really coats the snail, and so the flavor goes from the tip of your tongue all the way to the back of your tongue, which is phenomenal. And then let's get into these tamarind snails, yeah? So good. Look, there's actual tamarind seeds in here. You know that they're not playing. Actual tamarind seeds, so it's none of that bullshit, okay? Get my snail. gosh, my guy, you are doing everything right. Woo. I wish you guys were here. This is so simple that I'm able to do this, but I'm so grateful that I'm able to even be here and do this and experience this, because sitting in a room doing mukbangs, like it's a job, you know, like I have to set it up, I have to do this, I have to do that. Here, I just have to sit down, I can smell the ocean breeze, the weather is fantastic. What else can I ask for? You guys have no idea how much I love seafood, and you guys have no idea how much I love the beach, and this makes me very, very happy. Let me go ahead and eat one of these. You see that? Oh my god. Let me go ahead and remove this. Oh! Okay, we'll say bye to that snail. Here we go. Gonna go ahead and grab some more garlic to top that off. Oh, keep dropping my food, sorry. There you go. It's like sticky and bitter, but it's such a good bitter because it's garlic, of course, and then but there's like chilies in there, so there's like a little spice at the tip of your tongue and on your lips. It's just really, really good. And then this this salted egg yolk. I love salted egg yolk. Okay, let's see. There you go. That's like, this is like the perfect bite to the snail. Ooh. It's like sweet, salty, but then really rich and creamy in your mouth. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and dip this sauce in here. Ooh. Yeah, this one is definitely my favorite. It's not so meaty, but it's it really hangs on to the tamarind, which I really, really like. Oh, that's so good. Let me know which one you think you would like. If you're a garlic head, I really think that you would like this. If you love sour stuff, I really think that you would like this. If you like creamy, salty, and sweet flavors, I really think you like this. And if you like the subtle hints, the subtleness of like butter in your mouth and like more meat, I think you would like this. But overall, I love each one of this here because I don't know, each one has their own little different flavor and each one is so, so good. Woo! That is. This is just salt, pepper, a little bit of lime, and a little bit of chili. This was seafood. Fantastic. 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 Some tamarind. Woo. Wow. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for eating with me. Thank you for being here with me. You guys can find more of me on Instagram and Twitter at Twaydabae, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!